Hi darling, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuvi and today I am going to show you how I got this makeup look. So basically what I do with it was that I try to create a bolder brow than what I like to do usually, and I also did a glowing skin look. And I personally have oily combination skin, but I find that this makeup routine make my makeup last for a long time, around 5 to 6 hours. And if you just want to know how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to apply this Kiko full coverage concealer number 2 all over my eyelid just to create a smooth base for the eyeshadow. I'm taking the Naked 3 palette. I'm using the color Nooner all over my crease. I'm just going to bring it up slightly, but focusing on my eyelid so it's not too hard as I go up. Next, I'm taking the color Mugshot and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I really like how pigmented Naked 3 palette is. Like all the Urban Decay eyeshadow. They are super pigmented. Next, with a pencil brush, I am going to take the color Nooner again and I'm going to bring it down to my lash line just to create that like smoky effect. Next, I am taking the color Dark Side and with the same pencil brush, I am applying it at the outer corner of my crease, and we're going to create even more shadow. And I'm also going to bring it down to my lash line. Next, with the color Limit, I am going to take my fluffy brush and I am going to blend everything. Next, with the color Strange, I am going to apply it below my eyebrow to highlight. We're going to highlight this area again with highlighter. This will just create that nice blank canvas when we apply the highlighter. Next, taking the color Trick with my finger, I am going to apply in the middle of my eyelid just to accentuate the mobile eyelid and give it a little more va-va-voom. We still want to focus on the skin, but I want to make sure that the eyes are also popping. Next, I'm taking Tarte Black Clay Pot and MAC 266 brush and I'm going to line my eye. I think we're going to skip this because it takes forever.
2 hours later.
Next, I'm going to apply my lashes and my mascara, and I don't want to waste a lot of time to do my eye makeup on this because we want to talk about the bold brow and the skin. So I'm going to skip that. So while I'm waiting for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to do my eyebrow, and the product that I'm using today is the Kat Von D Super Brow in dark brown color and my Primark eyebrow brush. So what I do first is I'm going to brush my eyebrow up just like that. Next, I'm taking the eyebrow pomade and I am slowly shaping my eyebrow. And I'm focusing on just like the 2/3 of my eyebrow, and I'm taking the remainder of the product and like brush it up like that, just like that, to create like a very natural look on the eyebrow because we don't want to have that like boxy eyebrow. Yeah, so that is how I do my eyebrow. It's very simple. All I did was just like brushing it up and fill in the eyebrow. Make sure you fill in like this. So like, you know, you brush it up and you sort of like make a stroke like that to create that like super natural eyebrow look. Next, I'm taking my Kiko concealer again and I am underlining my eyebrow, sort of like to shape it a little bit more with the concealer. So just like that, and make sure that your brush is clean, because the last thing you want is to have unclean brush and then like when you brush it and you make a mistake. But if that happens, it's okay. You can just, you know, do it again, because I feel like doing my makeup is super soothing. It's sort of like a meditation for me, and I really like it. So even on days where I make mistake and I have to like redo certain part, I'm okay with it, because more makeup time means more meditation time. So that is how I do my eyebrow, and I'm going to do the next one and also like put in concealer, and I'll be back. So the first thing I'm doing for my face is I'm applying the Embryolisse Lait Cream Concentrate and the Mascara Cream in Goldlite. So I'm going to mix it together. Just like that. And I am using my foundation brush, and I'm applying it all over my skin except for my forehead area, because I don't want it to be too shiny on the forehead. Just like that, and like right away you can already see the shine on the face. Next, I'm taking Laura Mercier Silk Cream Foundation in Beige Ivory, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Next, I'm taking Laura Mercier Shimmer Shot, and this is in the color Spin Spin Sugar, and I am going to apply it on the high point of, I'm going to apply it where I want my highlight to be more prominent, so in the tip of my nose, over here, my cupid bow, and also on my brow bone, and on top of my brow, and doing the same here. So this is what everything looks like, and I'm taking my foundation brush again and like brush everything. And I'm also doing my neck, just like bringing everything down. And I'm going to use my fingertip to apply the highlight on my brow bone. You can also use brush for this, but I prefer to use my finger. I'm just going to like blend it like this, just to make sure that it's blended better. So after this, so now I am going to contour. So now I'm going to contour with the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. This is in Intensity 1, and I'm taking a cream color, and I'm just going to contour cream as well. The side of my forehead, just like that. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend everything. Next, I'm taking the DiorBlush Cheek Cream in Bikini, and this is a cream blush. You can apply all colors of cream blush as you like, because we want to create that like super glassy skin. So I really recommend you to use cream blush, and I like to tap it with my fingers, so I feel like the heat between my finger and my cheek blend the product better. Next, I'm taking Marc Jacobs Liquid Contouring Powder, and this is in the color Mirage Filter, and I'm taking the contouring the area that I did just now, but like super softly, because we don't want to put too much powder on our skin. and slowly bring it up. And I am taking my blending brush and I am going to apply it on my nose area also to like deepen the contour. You can skip this if you have sharp, beautiful nose, but I don't, so I need to apply more just to have that like nose, that really nice nose. Next, we are going to highlight even more, and I am using the Tom Ford Skin Illuminating Powder, and this is in the color Moonlight. And I'm going to take this brush, but I'm going to spray it with water, so it'll be more intense. So I'm taking the Evian water and just like spraying it. Okay, like tap off the excess water, and I am going to take the highlighting powder and like tap it. And now this is where the magic happens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply it, tap it on the area where I want the highlight to be even more poppin', and this usually is in the cheekbones and corner of my eyebrow. Yeah, just like that. And I am going to also use my finger, and I'm going to take it and apply it in the middle of my lips, sort of like just to make the highlight even more poppin'. Just like that. And I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and apply it in the corner of my eye. And apply it here also. I don't recommend you to like draw a highlight down straight because that will look too unreal. But what you can do is like you can put a little bit over here and then like stop and then put it in the tip of your nose for that more natural look. And if you feel like adding even more highlight, this is from BECCA, and this is the Shimmering Skin Perfector. I really like this because it is very shimmery and it has a little bit more color, so your skin will look super sun-kissed. And I'm going to apply it more towards like on my blush area, as you can see right here. On my blush area, like over here. So you have more color, and I like to also apply at the tip of my nose. Shimmer. Just like that. Now the look is almost complete, but first I'm going to apply the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. And this is from DIOR. It's very beautiful. It has no color. That's why I really like it. And I'm going to tap it with the Revlon. So I'm going to like apply this all over first. This has shimmer on it. That's why it makes your lips look super healthy. And then I'm going to finish it with the Revlon lip gloss. And the look is done. As you can see, it's super glowing and the eyebrow is really bold. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like the look, also comment down below. If you want to powder, you can also powder with the Laura Mercier setting powder because this is translucent. So what I would suggest is you can like powder it on your forehead and on the area where you shade, but like try not to like do it over there because you still want to have the shine. So yeah, if you really like this video, do thumbs up because it means a lot to me. And if you have any video requests, also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!